We have so many delicious fruits, vegetables, and herbs available right now.
And I'm going to show you how to use them on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Jenny, this all looks great. What do you have in store for us today?
Well, we're going to start with one of the most popular homegrown vegetables for many, tomatoes. And we're going to make a tomato bruschetta.
So the first one we have here is an heirloom variety called Rainbow. Very sweet,
Nice.
Lots of great flavor.
And I'm just going to chop it up coarsely for our bruschetta.
Jenny, check out this onion. I grew this myself under the seed starting station in my office. It is an heirloom variety called Red Long of Florence.
And next we'll need a clove of garlic.
This is the garlic that we planted last fall. It grew over the winter and I harvested it in July.
I'll peel and mince this garlic, and then I'll add the garlic to the bowl. And next we'll add some basil.
Basil and tomatoes are that classic taste of summer.
I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil, some red wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper.
Jenny, that looks dynamite. All those colors are amazing. I cannot wait to try it.
If you want other ideas for your summer fruits and vegetables, visit go.osu.edu/extension today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.